visitor from paradise. Jack Hannaford was an old soldier who had just been discharged from the army. He did not know how he was going to find any work, nor did he have much money. He reached a farmhouse, not knowing that a foolish couple lived there. The farmer had gone to the market, giving 10 pounds to his wife. He told her, "Keep this safely till I return." His wife wrapped it in a handkerchief and hid it inside the chimney to prevent any thieves from stealing it. It was then that Jack knocked at the door of the farm. "Who's that?" called out the farmer's wife. "I'm Jack Hannaford," he replied. "And where do you come from?" she asked. "From paradise," announced Jack. The farmer's wife had earlier been widowed, and when she heard the visitor was from paradise, she was eager to get news of her first husband. Shoemaker in paradise. Jack was a very clever fellow, and he realized that he could befool this simple woman. So he told her, "I met your husband in paradise. He makes shoes there, but he has run out of leather and needs some money to buy more so that he may continue his work." The farmer's wife was eager to help, so she ran to the chimney and, taking out the 10 pounds, she gave all of it to Jack. "Give this to him, please," she requested. "Tell him to buy the leather he needs and return the rest to me." Jack was delighted and didn't wish to wait for the farmer to return. He thanked the farmer's wife, tucked the money into his knapsack, and told her that he would come to give her the money that would be left, and quickly left the house. Before the farmer came home, he was far away. A quarrel. The farmer rode home after finishing his work in the market. He came and asked his wife for the money, for he had to buy some more things. She told him that she had given it to the visitor from paradise for her first husband. "He's making shoes for angels in paradise," she explained. "He needed it to buy more leather." The farmer was furious. "You foolish woman," he shouted. She yelled back at him. They had a big fight before he asked her which way the visitor had gone. He mounted his horse and rode after him, intending to get his money back. A few miles later, he saw the soldier trudging along, and Jack could hear the horse's hoofs following him. Realizing it must be the farmer, he quickly thought of a plan to befool him and lay down on the roadside, looking up at the sky. Two foolish people. The farmer found Jack Hannaford lying on the roadside, shielding his eyes against the strong sunlight, but staring up at the sky. "Are you the man who visited my house a while ago?" asked the farmer. Jack nodded, pointing at the sky. "What are you up to?" asked the farmer. "Look up," said Jack. "Can you see the man walking up to the sky? He's taking the money to paradise." "I can't see anything," said the farmer. "Come and lie down here," suggested Jack. Then you'll be able to see him. I'll hold your horse for you. The farmer was really foolish, and getting off his horse, he gave the reins to Jack and lay down, staring at the sky. In a flash, Jack mounted and ran away with the horse. The foolish farmer had to walk all the way home to his equally foolish wife. They had lost the money and their horse.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.